What is going on, guys? I'm Mr. Valley here with another live trading video. Today is Thursday, November 19, 2020. Time is 9:32 Eastern. Market already open. I'm a little bit late with the video, but we're here, guys. In front of you, I had two charts. We got the Nasdaq 100, S&P 500. As you guys see, market again just opened. S&P just took that big huge fall right there. The Nasdaq is still debating which way to go. If you look at the night session, market was where it is right now. So it was 1, twice, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 times in this area. So chances are, if it doesn't break that, it's gonna continue to go to the downside. So we can wait for the first 5 minutes for this candle to close to see if it gets any higher than that. If it breaks this highs right here, if it breaks those highs, then chances are it's going to continue to go to the upside. But if it doesn't do that and it closes below and even below our support, then we know that the market is coming the other way, which is already doing right now. So with that said, guys, I usually don't like to take the trade on the first 5 minutes of the open. So I'm gonna wait for the next bar to see. We're gonna wait for this bar to close first and then see the next bar, how much it retraces up, so that way we can have our entry. Say we can have it somewhere here. We can have like a pending order to go to the downside, but it's still they're early, even though it's closing below out support. Well, it hasn't even closed yet. We still have about 40 seconds. But if it does close below, I'm still gonna wait for the next candle to see how high up it goes. If it doesn't take this high, then chances are it is gonna continue to go to the downside. So at that point, we could have like a pending order, like I said, somewhere around here.
Order filled.
All right, we got filled. So I'm gonna drop my stop loss to where it was before, because if it breaks that, then chances are it's gonna continue to go to the upside, and there's no point for us to risk. But we are inside this trade. And so again, if it goes and takes us out, that means it's going to continue to go to the upside. So we don't want to take risks, so I can already put this at break even. Alright, we are already break even, guys. If it goes the other way, we'll not lose any money. If it goes our way, then we'll get our money. We got about 30 seconds for this candle. And again, if it goes the other way, it should try to go to next support. And it's gonna just don't want it to come up too much. But if it's not doing that, guys, then chances are it's gonna come back up. So at this point, I'm gonna lock in some profits. Let's see what it does here. Okay, we're at the 500, guys. So I'm gonna go and lock in those 500.
Stop fill.
All right, we got stopped out. I was trying to get locked to 500 since that's our target. I had my take profit a little bit lower, thinking it was gonna go down to the next support. It more than likely will. But we got 450 out of the market, guys. So it was a good trade. One trade took us about what 6 minutes. See, this is what I was talking about, guys. Since we're in an uptrend, this could be just a retracement. That's as low as it's gonna get, and now it's gonna come the other way. So that's why we locked in those profits. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video. It's all about managing the trades, minimizing risk, trying to get as much as we can. I should have left my take profit to the 500. Still 450, it's still a good day. But that's it, guys. If you guys are trading, be careful. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, share this video. I appreciate that. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.